Here's something wild. A single math rule that predicts earthquakes, city sizes, and even brain-to-body ratios. Also predicts Bitcoin's price. And if the math holds up, Bitcoin could hit $1 million by 2033. Right now, Bitcoin sits at $118,000, just shy of its all-time high that's got the world buzzing. But this isn't just hype. This prediction comes from a mathematical phenomenon called a power law. Here's the deal. Power laws are everywhere. They describe how big cities get, how often earthquakes happen, and even how languages evolve. They're like the hidden cheat codes of the universe, showing how wildly different things, like the size of craters on the moon and how long planets take to orbit the sun, are actually connected by simple math. And get this, an astrophysicist discovered that Bitcoin's price, over the past 15 years, follows a power law too. That means Bitcoin's price might not be random at all. It's following a predictable mathematical fingerprint. When you plot Bitcoin's price on a special log-log chart, you get an almost perfect straight line. And using this model, Bitcoin's next cycle peak is projected between $150,000 and $200,000 in the next few months. But it gets crazier. If the pattern holds, Bitcoin could soar to $1 million in 2033. Here's why that's mind-blowing. Unlike gold or the stock market, Bitcoin isn't behaving like a typical asset. For example, when you plot gold prices on the same chart, no clear pattern emerges. Same for the S&P 500. But Bitcoin? It's been stunningly consistent. Think about that. For 15 years, through booms, crashes, and scandals, this math has mapped Bitcoin's growth with 95% accuracy. But let's zoom out. Why does this matter to you? Because if the pattern continues, this isn't just a crypto story. It's about how math, science, and human behavior collide to create a financial network unlike anything we've seen before. Bitcoin could be the first asset class in history that behaves more like a natural law than a man-made invention. So here's the big question. Will Bitcoin continue following this power law? Or will the pattern break in the next cycle? Only time and the next bull market will tell. This has been your shot of biz, finance, and motivation.